your boys again. Just came to UPS to pick up the monster, the game himself. Had that was everybody waiting for today. Most of the people had it the 17th. That I just had it today because most of the people are not gonna ship it by today, but the 21st. Hey guys, how you doing? Today is February 21st. Today is release for Halo War 2. Release date or Halo War 2. Today I just got it because I pre-ordered the regular edition. So whoever pre-ordered Ultimate Edition being had it from February 17th. So today we're gonna unboxing Halo War 2, guys. So let's see what's in the package right now. Sorry guys. So let's see what's inside the package. So okay guys, Halo War 2 how you can say Xbox One console exclusive. So this is a Halo War 2, and the back say real-time strategy make it possible to return to the Halo universe. Like you say guys, Xbox one player, Xbox Live 2 to 6 player, co-op 1 player in Xbox One, Xbox Live 2 player can play this game, plus trigger. So let's see what's inside. So let's bring. Wow, I can't believe they it's just a game, no bug, nothing to collect. Hey, this is what it is inside the case. Just as the disc, no bug, no nothing. Well, weird. So that's what it is, guys. Halo War 2 regular edition. This is a regular edition. That when you pre-order this one, when they send me an email, Best Buy send me just an email to pre-order. If you have pre-ordered this one, this is the 59 bucks edition. So actually they give me this boy right here because they pre-order. So let's see what's inside now. Let's take them out. Okay, right. This one's inside the box for Halo War 2 figure action collectible. This is the actual figure action. It's look good. So guys, this is it. It's a Halo War 2 video game. This is the release date today. No, the first one was good. Everybody was asking for number 2. So there you go, guys. Today's the release for number 2. So they just play this motherfucker. So okay guys, so see you guys next week in another unboxing. So peace.